Okay, so today we're talking about quarter notes and quarter note rests. So just a reminder how we do that and mark it. These bottom ones are our foot language. So it goes down and up when we tap our foot for one quarter note. And then above has our counting up here. So the first measure is a complete measure. We have 4 quarter notes and we have no rests. So we would count this 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when we get to this measure, we actually add a rest. So to notate it differently, so right here we have a normal quarter note, we would put parentheses around the rest, and that would indicate that we would whisper those. So I put the counting on the top here again, and then this measure you would count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I left these blank over here, and we're going to fill them out together. So we notice that there's one rest in this measure. So the first one, we would put it 1. And then the second measure, we would put it 2, or second beat. And then the third one, we're going to put it in parentheses. So that's to remind us that we need to whisper that count. And then this one is also normal. Okay? And then in this measure, an extra left over, we have beat 1, beat 2, and beat 3, and beat 4 is a rest, so we're going to put the counts in there and we're going to whisper it. Okay, so now let's count the entire measure, or the entire line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3,